Outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. God's country. I don't care what my headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah, I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Blackbird on the old church steeple, Spanish moss hanging in the setting sun. Every house has got a Bible and a loaded gun. We got preachers and politicians. Round here it's kinda hard to tell which one is gonna do more talking with a crooked tongue. This town's got the good Lord shaking his head, looking down, thinking we ain't heard a word he said, a word he said. Baptized in Southern Gothic, in the garden of good and evil. Devil right here, who would have thought it? In a town full of God-fearing people, dogs and deadbolts guard the night. Nothing left to do but kneel and pray. We got a church on every corner, so why does heaven feel so far away? Far away. Must be something in the muddy water, turns a whiskey bout as sweet as sin. Every drunk in town can sing a brown bag hymn. Good fences make good neighbors, but good neighbors make good lovers too. And when your man ain't home, any man will do. This town part of the night. Nothing left to do but kneel and pray. We got a church on every corner, so why does heaven feel so far away? Far away. High on homegrown, smoking that brimstone. Mama ain't stopping, popping that cotton. No happy ever after, waiting on the rapture now. Baptized in Southern Gothic, in the garden of good and evil. The devil right here, who would have thought?